Hello everyone, this is my fourth video lecture of data science series, and in this lecture series we learn about data preparation phase of model. In this we learn about data preparation phases. Like what is data preparation? Raw data may be or may not contain errors or inconsistency. Hence drawing actionable insight is not straightforward. We have to prepare the data to rescue us from the pitfalls of incomplete, inaccurate and unstructured data. In this article, we are going to understand data preparation, the process and the challenges faced during the process. There are a lot of challenges faces when the data is preparing. So we learn in this video series. Data preparation steps. There are some data preparation steps are data dis discretizations, data integrations, data reductions, data cleaning, data transformation. These all are the 5 data preparation steps. Data preparation process. There are a few important steps in the data preparation phases and each one is essential. Like there are many data preparation process and one of this essential making sure the data preparation is prepared for analyzing or other processing. The following are the key stages related to data preparation. First, data describe purpose and requirement. When we are talking about data preparation, firstly we describe the purpose and requirement of the data. What is the requirement and what is the purpose of the data? This is first step. And in the second step, we will collect all the data in the form. In third step, data combining and integration data. Like in third step, we should combine all the data and integrating data. In step fourth, data profiling. Step fifth, which is data exploring. Step six is data transformation and enrichment. And step second is data validations. There are some challenges while facing to perform data preparation modes. Now we have already understand what is data preparations in a certain stage in the analysis process, yet it is a fault with numerous challenges like lack or insufficient data profiling lead to mistakes, errors and difficulties in data preparation, contribute to poor analyte findings, may result in missing or incomplete data, etc. Missing values and other issues that must be addressed from the start can lead to inaccurate analysis if not handled properly. Invalid values caused by spelling problems, typos or incorrect number input must be identified and corrected earlier on for analytic accuracies. Lack of standardized in data set. Name and address standardized is essential when combining data sets. Like name and address are must standardized when it is initially combined data sets. Different format and system may impact how information is received. Inconsistency between enterprises system arise due to differences in terminology, spatial identifier and other factors. Make data preparation difficult and may lead to error in analysis. Data enrichment challenges. Determine what additional information to add require excellent skills in business analysis, knowledge, set up, maintaining and improving data preparation process. Necessary to standardize process and ensure that can be utilized repeatedly. Require ongoing efforts to optimize efficiency and effectiveness. Thank you.